Hey guys, this is the first episode of this series. Today we'll work on the 5 basics of drawing, and we will use these basics in the next episode. The first basic is using the ruler properly. Let's draw a line and then make other lines parallel to it. You have to see the first line. Don't put the ruler tilted. Draw lines parallel to the first one. And do use your left hand's finger for holding the ruler for odd sides. Now I'm gonna do the same for the other side. Now I'm doing for making the other lines. With this we'll have 4 squares, on which I will show you the other basics. You would be thinking that why am I not talking much? Because I'm always to the point. And that's why you should subscribe this channel. And do you know that every 60 seconds in Africa a minute passes? But it's the same in the whole world, dude. Hey, but Africa also has this, okay? Now for drawing straight lines without the ruler, like I'm doing, you have to move your elbow instead of your hand. Hold the pencil lightly. You would be able to see what I'm trying to say, okay? Just watch the movements and become become an epic painter. Just use your brain on what I'm trying to say, okay? Just watch what I'm doing. Now it's time for curves. Like if you want to make an eye or something, hold the pencil lightly in a freeway. I'm not making a perfect eye, it's just for reference. Now if you want to make an eyebrow, move your hand, not the elbow. And always make weird curves on a rough paper for warm-up. Now it's time for shading. I'm making a square to shade it. When you shade, always make both dark and light shades. Don't make the whole object black or light black. Make it lighter on some place and darker on some other. And if you don't have a background, let the shading go out. You can always erase it. Like I'm doing here, I'm letting the shading go out and I'm making it darker on some place and lighter on other. I'm just making the down portion darker so it looks good. I'm not making it a perfect square, so it's just I don't want to be complex, so it's just for that. Time for 3D work. I'm making a thing which I can turn into 3D. Let's call it Chandler. Now you see I'm making straight lines on the edges and I'm joining them. Don't put lines everywhere like this, like I'm doing at this time. Just use common sense if you have it. Now shade new regions which we made. And that's it for this video, guys.